students, today we will start profit and loss appropriation account. Now when we start partnership firm business, we should know that all the profit whatever we got, that has to be distributed among the partners. Now before we have learned the financial statement of sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship we did trading account, then after trading account we made PL account, that is profit and loss account, then we made the balance sheet. Okay. Now in case of partnership firm, we have to make one more account after the PL account, that is called profit and loss appropriation account. Now what is this PL appropriation account? This is the account where we will distribute all the expenses related to farm and all the income from the farm, from the partner to the farm. That means everything related to the partner will be shown in PL appropriation account. Now in today's class we will discuss about the format of PL appropriation account. Now this is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Before I start with the format, you should remember one very important point. First of all, you have to bring the profit here, and the profit will be given in the question. By net profit transfer from profit and loss account. This is the amount. For example, these all amounts are fictitious which are given. So let us see that. Let us say it is 2 lakhs rupees. Fine, that will be given in the question. Now this credit side you must write all the income of the farm related to partners. Means whatever the farm will get income from the partner, that you have to write. And the only income of the farm from the partner is interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, if given in the question, you must write. For example, in this question we assume that A will give you 5,000, B will give you 15,000. So 20,000 is the interest on drawing. Now on the debit side, what are the items you will show? First, interest on capital. For example, as per this question, we assume that A will give 10,000, B will give 20,000. These all things will be given in the question. So 30,000 is the total interest of capital. Now this is the expenses of the farm related to partner. So farm will pay these things to the partner. Interest on capital paid. Now salary to A. If given in the question, then only you have to write 10,000. Commission to B. A and B are partners. So 20,000. Now this total of credit is 2,20,000 and debit total is 60,000. We will deduct that and we will get 1,60,000. So 1,60,000, this has to be divided between A and B in the profit sharing ratio. Now student, the very important point you should know is those points which you should consider in the absence of partnership deal. Number one is that the profit sharing ratio, if it's not given, it has to be equal. Now as A and B are two partners, profit sharing ratio will be 1:1. So half of 160 means 80 it will be divided among them. There are various other rules like interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary to partner, commission to partners. If the questions are silent, you should not show. Only if it is given in the question, then only you have to show. But remember that interest on loan must be provided. That means if a partner has given loan to the business, he has to be given 6% interest on that particular amount per annum, even if the question is silent. Okay. So these are the rules applicable in the absence of partnership deal. Those we have to do. Then after that, PL appropriation account, that is the only format. So here everything related to partner will be shown and the profit will be distributed among the partners in the given profit sharing ratio. After this, I will come up with capital account of the partners. Hope you have understood. Any queries, you can ask me the doubt. Thank you for watching. Do share it and subscribe the video.